Hands-on learning starts with reliable tools that make metalwork safe, smooth, and easy to understand for first-time users stepping into fabrication work. Best Welding Machine for Beginners offers simple controls, stable arc performance, and safety features designed to help new welders build confidence quickly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. YESWELDER 135A Beginner Welding Machine. The YESWELDER 135A Beginner Welding Machine is an excellent choice for users looking for a versatile and affordable welding solution. Its 3-in-1 design supports gasless flux core MIG, stick and lift TIG welding, giving users flexibility for a variety of welding tasks. The machine delivers up to 135 amps of power, making it suitable for light to medium-duty steel fabrication, home repairs, and DIY projects. One of its most beginner-friendly features is the synergistic control system, which automatically matches voltage settings to wire feed speed, while still allowing fine adjustments for improved weld quality. The digital display provides clear, real-time welding information, helping users maintain better control during operation. Weighing only 11.4 pounds, it is highly portable and easy to transport between job sites. The included flux core welding wire adds extra value and allows users to start welding immediately after setup. Overall, this machine offers a strong balance of performance, convenience, and ease of use for beginners and hobbyists. Number 2. Lincoln 90i Beginner Welding Machine. The Lincoln 90i Beginner Welding Machine is a compact and reliable welder designed for users who value simplicity and trusted performance. Powered by standard 120-volt household current, it can be used in garages, workshops, farms, and construction environments without requiring special electrical setups. Despite its small size, the machine can weld materials up to 1/4 inch thick, making it suitable for many repair and fabrication projects. The straightforward control panel uses only 2 knobs for voltage and wire speed adjustment, reducing complexity for beginners, while still providing enough control for quality weld. Its inverter technology delivers smoother arc performance and improved energy efficiency compared to older transformer-based units. Weighing just 15 pounds and equipped with a shoulder strap, the welder is easy to carry and store. The included welding gun, work clamp, nozzle, and contact tip allow users to get started quickly. For hobbyists and homeowners seeking dependable welding performance from a respected brand, the Lincoln 90i is a practical option.
Number 3. BESTMIG 135A Beginner Welding Machine. The BESTMIG 135A Beginner Welding Machine stands out by combining solid welding performance with an impressive accessory package. This 3-in-1 welder supports MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, providing flexibility for users working on different materials and projects. With a true 135 amp output, it can handle metal thicknesses up to 1/8 inch while delivering stable arc performance. The machine is particularly appealing to beginners because of its intelligent digital control system, which automatically adjusts welding parameters for easier operation. The full-color LED display offers clear visibility of settings and real-time performance information. A major advantage of this package is the inclusion of safety equipment such as an auto-darkening welding helmet and leather gloves, helping new users get started without purchasing additional accessories. Compatibility with multiple wire sizes and materials, including stainless steel and carbon steel, adds versatility. Overall, the BESTMIG 135A provides excellent value for beginners who want a complete welding setup with user-friendly controls and dependable performance. Number 4. Weldpro 140A Beginner Welding Machine. The Weldpro 140A Beginner Welding Machine offers impressive versatility through its advanced 5-in-1 functionality, supporting SIN MIG, THE MIG, stick, lift TIG, and spot welding. It can accommodate a wide range of welding applications and materials. The intelligent MCU control system automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed according to the selected settings, making the machine approachable for beginners while still offering customization options for experienced welders. Its dual voltage capability automatically detects 110-volt or 220-volt input power, providing added convenience and flexibility in different working environments. Delivering up to 140 amps of output, the welder produces stable arcs and reduced spatter for cleaner welds. The LED display and simple controls make setup straightforward, while the 2T and 4T trigger modes improve comfort during short or extended welding sessions. Comprehensive safety features, including VRD protection, hot start, arc force, overload protection, and intelligent cooling, enhance reliability. This machine is an excellent choice for users seeking advanced features and multi-process welding capabilities.
Number 5. ehomful 145A Beginner Welding Machine. The ehomful 145A Beginner Welding Machine offers a strong combination of performance, convenience, and modern technology for welders of all skill levels. Its 4-in-1 design supports gas MIG, gasless MIG, stick and lift TIG welding, providing flexibility for different materials and applications. The dual voltage capability allows operation on both 110-volt and 220-volt power sources, making it suitable for home and workshop use. A standout feature is its intelligent synergistic control system, which automatically selects optimal voltage and wire feed settings based on the chosen parameters. This simplifies operation while still allowing manual fine-tuning for experienced users. The upgraded HD digital display clearly shows welding data, making adjustments easy even in bright environments. Safety features including overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating protection help ensure reliable operation. With smooth arc performance and minimal spatter, this welder delivers dependable results for a wide variety of projects.